Hello my dear students, welcome to Exam War. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to discuss chapter 6 adjective of sparkling English grammar standard 5th. Dear students, in this chapter we will study quantitative adjectives, what are numeral adjectives, what are the interrogative adjectives, and what are the distributive adjectives. These four types of adjectives we will discuss in this class. So my dear students, to get each type of adjectives very clearly, you must watch this video from the beginning till end, so that you may clear your doubts. So let's start this class and discuss all of these points, all of these types of adjectives one by one. But at first we should know what are the adjectives. What are the adjectives? What are the adjectives? What are adjectives? I think you know very well, as this chapter is also discussed in your previous class. So my dear students, I did not write the definition of adjectives on the board, but I will explain you very clearly. Dear students, any word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun, any word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun, that is called adjective. Let's have some examples. Some examples. If I write, what I write? Dear students, if I write boy, I wrote boy. Now we have only noun. This is a noun. We don't know anything about this boy. If I write good boy, now we know the quality of this boy. That's why this good is qualifying this noun boy, and this good is called adjective. What is it? Is adjective. It is called adjective. Let's have one more example. I wrote pens. What I wrote? Pens. Dear friends, this is a noun. And if I wrote two pens, then this number two is telling us something about pens. It means it is defining the number of pens. So this word is telling something about noun, and any word which tells us something about a noun or pronoun, that is called adjective. What is that called? That is called an adjective. So I think, dear students, you got this point very well. What are the adjectives? Adjectives are the words which qualify either a noun or a pronoun. Let's take one more example. I wrote way. Dear students, way is a noun. What is it? It is a noun. If I write, right now we don't know anything about way. How is that way? So if I write long, what I write? I write long. Now we know something about this way. Way is long. How is the way? Way is long. So any word which qualifies a noun or pronoun is called an adjective. So I think, dear students, you got these points very well. What are the adjectives? So let's discuss each of its types: quantitative, numeral, interrogative, and distributive adjectives one by one. First of all, quantitative adjectives. What are those? Quantitative adjectives, or adjectives of quality. Sorry, quantity, not quality, quantity. Quantitative adjectives or adjectives of quality. My dear students, this adjective asks a question: how much? If you are getting answer of this word how much, then the answer of that this question will be quantitative adjective. What will be quantitative adjective? Let's have some example. If I write he has some money. He has some money. Now I will ask a question, how much money he has? How much money he has? So your answer will be some. So dear students, some is quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity. Let's have some more example. I wrote they have enough time. They have enough time. So once again I should ask how much time they have. Your answer will be enough. What your answer will be? Your answer will be enough. So my dear friends, any word which is telling about a noun, that is how much, then that adjective is called quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity. I think you got this very well. So let's discuss next one, numeral adjectives. Dear students, numeral adjectives. What is numeral? Numeral adjectives or adjective of number or adjective of number. My dear students, numeral adjectives. What is numeral adjective or adjective of number is the same thing. Adjective of number or numeral adjectives are divided into two parts. What are those two parts? One definite number, and second one indefinite number. In indefinite number, we know how many. For this adjective we ask how many. We get answer of how many, but we don't exactly count we can't exactly count the number how many. We have no definite number, and the words in indefinite number are like some, few, many, several, etc. These words are indefinite number. That's why they are called indefinite number of adjectives. Because I have some rupees, but we cannot tell you how many rupees I have. He has few solutions, but we don't know exact numbers. So they are telling us about number, but not the exact number. That's why they are called indefinite. Number of adjectives. So my dear students, next one is definite. It tells us exact number. For example, I wrote first, second, next, last, etc. All these type of numbers. And one more, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to indefinite number. These two types of number are definite number of adjectives. So my dear students, these two types are of different types. These numbers which tells us about rank or position. They tell us about the rank or position of any noun. These numbers are called ordinal number. These numbers are called ordinal numbers. These numbers are called ordinal numbers, and these numbers are called cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers. One more thing, dear students, ordinal number always takes article the before it. Ordinal number takes article the before it. So I think, dear students, you got these type of adjectives very clearly. Ordinal number tells us something about the rank or position of a noun, and cardinal number tells us exact the number of a noun. But indefinite number of adjectives, they tell us a number, but that number is exactly not confirmed. How many? That is not confirmed. So I think you got this point very well. So let's discuss next one. Let's discuss next one. Next one is interrogative adjectives. So my dear students, in interrogative adjectives, this type of adjectives are used to ask any question. They are used to ask any question. Ask any question like which or what. Which or what. These are these type of adjectives are interrogative adjectives. By using these words, we ask some questions. As example number 6 and 7. So in 6 and 7, which movie is a noun? Whose books is a noun? So here which and whose are asking some questions, as well as they are also defining some nouns. That's why these two adjectives, these two words are called interrogative adjectives. What are these? These are interrogative adjectives. I think you got this point very well. So let's discuss next one, that is distributive adjective. Dear students, distributive adjective distributes the thing. It distributes the things. Distributive. So dear students, it distributes. It distributes the things. And examples of distributive adjectives are 4. What are those 4? Each, every, either, neither. These 4 words are distributive adjectives. These 4 words are distributive adjectives, and they distribute the nouns. That's why they are called distributive adjectives. And any noun used with these type of words takes a singular verb. Which type of verb? Takes a singular verb. So dear students, we discussed all about these nouns and types for here. All about these types of adjectives. I have already written some examples. Let's find out what type of adjective is used in these sentences. First of all, question number 1, he has little knowledge. Dear students, it will be some exercise for us. He has little knowledge. If I ask the question, how much? What? How much? Dear students, how much is the question of quantitative adjectives. It means we will get quantitative adjective in the answer of this question. So little is quantitative adjective. What type of adjective? Quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity. I have not any money. How much money? Any money. So dear students, this is also adjective of quantity or quantitative adjective. Let's discuss the third one. Rohit won the first prize. My dear students, any noun, any adjective which tells us rank or position, that is ordinal number of adjective. So dear students, first, second, third, next, last, all these type of nouns are ordinal number. So first is ordinal number of adjectives. I think you got this point very well. Next one, I have a few rupees. I have a few rupees. If I ask how many rupees I have, then we can say few rupees. I have few rupees. But we cannot say exactly how many rupees I have. We cannot tell you a fixed number. That's why this is a number, but it is not fixed. That is why it is called indefinite number of adjectives. It is called indefinite number of adjectives. I think you got this point very well. There are two mango trees. If I ask how many, then now you can exactly tell me the number of mango trees. What is that? That is 2. So my dear students, this is definite number of adjectives. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or any number is adjective of number or definite number of adjectives. I think you got this point very well. Next one, question number 8. Every student is present here. Each, every, either, neither. What are those? Each, every, either, neither are distributive adjectives. Though that's why these two words belong to distributive adjectives. So my dear students, either, neither, each, every are distributive adjectives. I think you got each and every point very clearly we discussed in this class. Even then you have any doubt, then you can visit your college or you can ask your doubt through your valuable comments. So dear students, in the last, like this video and share with your classmates and subscribe the channel Exam Bar and also press the bell icon to get latest update of your classes. Thank you and thank you for watching this video.